That smile can only mean one thing. It's time for another unboxing video. Hey everybody, welcome back to Let's Play. Another unboxing video. Today, I have a Nintendo DS Lite. I don't know what it looks like yet. I'm about to open it up and find out. As you can see, there was a lot of duct tape on it, so I had to cut it open with a knife. There was a lot of stuff on there, but I finally got this bad boy out. Yes! Yes. What does that say? Roop KCC. I don't know what it says. Let's get to the DS. Oh man, hold on. Alright, so just from looking at the DS, it looks like it's slightly used. I noticed right away. There's a couple scratches over here. Alright, so here's the screen. Here's the bottom screen. Now here's the important question. Does it turn on? It turns on! Does it work? It works. And it's already purple. Nice. Okay. So. Of course, it came with a charger. Amazing! I got a DS! I'm gonna have to clean this off. But it works. You can trust the people on Amazon. Thank you for watching. It's the crimson blue one. It's the one I wanted. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. Leave a like. Goodbye.